likes to hang around the cage and flip everywhere. Flip upside down, you know, like twist her back on the edge. It's kind of weird. Like Tako never did that, obviously. And he's biting everything. Loves biting everything. Let's see if we can catch her flipping. Otherwise I have to do another video. There we go. Is she flipping yet? Not yet. This is gonna flip sometime soon. It's like a fun thing. It's weird. She's really a hyperactive little girl. I think she's about a month old, they say. Look, there we go. Oh, is she flipping? Yeah. There we go, she flipped again. Did you see that? She put her back against the cage and flipped over. Such a cutie. I have a weirdo bird who likes to flip around on her cage. He climbs up to the top and then flips around again. This is a weirdo bird. Oh man, she's trying to flip with it. Oh, seriously? Uh-oh. I think she's stuck now. No, it's not gonna happen. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's seriously a weirdo bird. Like, seriously? Like, look at that. Tako is never like this. Seriously want to go through? Oh man. No, you can't go through. You're too fat. No, don't go through. You're gonna stuck. Now I'm gonna have to cut that thing open. No. That's better. Yeah, she loves playing. She loves lots of playing fun. She thinks she can do anything and she's invincible, huh? Invincible birdie? No, she should just go through. Bye bye.